Tired of tingling hands and weak legs? These 8 collagen-packed snacks can help rebuild your joints, strengthen muscles, and keep you moving freely. Stay till the end because the last snack is the one that works fastest to restore strength and mobility naturally. First up, let's talk about something that almost sounds too good to be true for your health. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. Yes, you heard that right. Chocolate. But we're not talking about just any sugary candy bar. This is about rich, real dark chocolate, the kind bursting with powerful plant compounds that actually help your body heal from the inside. Dr. William Li, a world-famous researcher, highlights that dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao is fantastic for boosting collagen and supporting your body's natural repair systems. What makes it so special? It's loaded with things like flavonols and proanthocyanidins, fancy words for substances that help your body make new stem cells, calm down inflammation, and even protect your DNA. This translates to healthier skin, stronger joints, and a much better chance of staying mobile and independent for years to come. Remember, the trick is to choose the darkest chocolate you can find, ideally 70–85% cacao or higher, with very little sugar, and even better if it's single origin for purer quality. To make these incredible collagen-boosting clusters, gently melt about 1 ounce of good dark chocolate, stir in a handful of roasted almonds, and add a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Drop little spoonfuls onto a plate or into small molds and chill until firm. You'll get a chewy, rich bite that does more than taste amazing. The chocolate provides antioxidants, the almonds offer amino acids for collagen production, and the goji berries add sweetness and essential vitamin C to help your body use all those wonderful nutrients. It's an indulgence that works quietly behind the scenes, easing pain, protecting your joints, and helping you feel more like you. Now that's a treat worth savoring every day. Next, consider a surprising hero, gelatin fruit nibbles. Most of us think of gelatin as just a fun, wiggly dessert, but it truly deserves more recognition for its incredible health benefits, especially for your joints, skin, and nerves as you get older. Gelatin is essentially collagen that's already broken down, making it super easy for your body to absorb and use right away. It's packed with crucial amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact building blocks your body needs to create fresh collagen and repair tired tissues. Scientific studies even show that people who consume gelatin before exercise can experience significantly less joint pain over time, a difference that truly makes everyday activities like standing and walking feel so much easier. Turning gelatin into a delightful, healing snack couldn't be simpler. Start with 1 cup of unsweetened juice, like cherry or pomegranate, chosen for their high antioxidant content. Gently warm it on the stove, making sure it doesn't boil, then stir in 2 tablespoons of plain powdered gelatin until it fully dissolves. For an extra boost, you might add some chopped nuts for healthy fats and fresh berries for additional vitamin C, which is vital for your body to properly utilize collagen. Pour this mixture into small molds or a shallow dish and let it chill in the fridge until it's firm. The result is a soft, easy-to-chew treat that's light to eat but powerfully supportive inside your body, working to ease stiffness and keep your tissues flexible and strong. For anyone over 60 grappling with achy knees, sore hips, or that subtle nagging weakness that often accompanies age, these simple gelatin nibbles can genuinely feel like a transformative game changer. Plus, knowing you've made it yourself with care, purpose, and palpable benefits adds a unique layer of satisfaction. You might not immediately think of chicken bone broth bites as a snack, but this powerful natural remedy is exceptional for your body, especially if you're over 60 and experiencing stiff joints, tingling sensations in your hands, or legs that feel less steady. This warm, soothing broth is a powerhouse of collagen and amino acids like glycine and proline, crucial for rebuilding connective tissue, repairing cartilage, and even aiding nerve healing. When chicken bones are slowly simmered for hours, their collagen breaks down into a form your body can easily absorb, offering deep nourishment that helps your body truly bounce back. The wonderful news is you don't need anything elaborate to incorporate it into your routine. Simply save leftover chicken bones, perhaps from a roast or even wings, and toss them into a large pot with water, a touch of vinegar, and chopped vegetables like onion, celery, and carrot. Let this mixture simmer on a low heat for about 8 hours. Once it's ready, strain the broth and pour it into jars. As it cools, it will transform into a soft gel. That's your homemade collagen booster in action. Scoop out a portion, warm it gently, and add a squeeze of lemon juice and some fresh parsley for enhanced flavor and extra nutrients. Even just half a cup a day can help your joints feel smoother, ease that familiar creaky, cracking sensation, and make everyday movements feel considerably easier. For those struggling with weak legs or pins and needles in their hands, this broth provides your body with the support it needs to begin repairing the tissues responsible for movement and sensation. It's gentle, deeply nourishing, and comes straight from your own kitchen, representing a daily act of self-care, one small bowl at a time, to help you feel more mobile, comfortable, and truly like yourself again. Many people don't realize how absolutely vital vitamin C is for building collagen. Without enough of it, your body simply can't produce this essential protein. That's why adding something as common as cantaloupe mint bites to your daily routine can make a profound difference, particularly if you're over 60 and struggling with stiff joints or unsteady legs. Cantaloupe isn't just a delicious, refreshing summer fruit. It's brimming with vitamin C. In fact, just 1 cup provides nearly 2/3 of your body's daily requirement, effectively kickstarting your collagen-making process. This can significantly ease that tight, achy feeling in your knees, hips, or even your fingers. The best part is how incredibly easy, quick, and enjoyable this snack is to prepare. Begin with a sweet, juicy cantaloupe, cutting it into bite-sized cubes that are easy to chew, even if your teeth or gums are sensitive. Add a refreshing squeeze of fresh lime juice for an extra flavor kick and an antioxidant boost. Toss in a few invigorating mint leaves for a cooling effect, and then sprinkle with chopped pistachios. These tiny nuts contribute healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all working to calm inflammation and ensure your joints move smoothly. The result is a vibrant, hydrating, and refreshing bowl that supports your immune system and gives your body the necessary spark to generate more collagen. This means less stiffness, greater flexibility, and increased comfort with every movement. For anyone who feels like they've lost a bit of pep in their step, a simple dish of cantaloupe with mint and lime can be a wonderfully sweet first step toward feeling lighter, stronger, and more energized. Sometimes, the smallest changes truly bring the biggest rewards. When it comes to powerful foods, we often overlook the simplest ones, and the tomato caprese salad snack is a perfect example. Tomatoes, frequently found in most kitchens, are surprisingly collagen-friendly. They're not only rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for building new collagen, but also contain a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which protects the collagen you already have. This combination leads to stronger joints, firmer skin, and reduced inflammation over time. What's fascinating is that when tomatoes are cooked or even slightly warmed, your body can absorb even more lycopene. This is why pairing a fresh tomato with healthy fats transforms it into a mini collagen powerhouse. One of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to do this is with a caprese-style snack. It's light, wonderfully refreshing, and highly beneficial for your joints and nerves, especially if you've noticed stiffness or tingling in your hands or legs. Simply slice a ripe, juicy tomato and layer it with fresh mozzarella. If you prefer a dairy-free option, cubed avocado works beautifully. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top, which aids your body in absorbing those valuable antioxidants, and add a few fresh basil leaves for both incredible flavor and digestive support. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow all the flavors to meld together. What you'll end up with is a snack that feels gourmet, like something from a charming cafe, but inside your body, it's performing serious repair work. It hydrates, delivers potent anti-inflammatory compounds, and provides your tissues with what they need to rebuild over time. Make this a regular habit, and you might notice less joint soreness, improved skin elasticity, and an overall feeling of internal support. This small act of care, one delicious plate at a time, can help you keep moving with more comfort and remarkable ease. Many might not consider Guava Power Yogurt Bowl as a go-to for boosting collagen, but it absolutely should be, especially if you're over 60 and experiencing weak legs, tingling hands, or stiff joints. Guava stands out as one of the richest sources of vitamin C available. Just 100 grams provides over 200 milligrams, which is several times more than an orange. This is critically important because vitamin C isn't just helpful, it's absolutely essential. Your body cannot physically make collagen without it. If you're not getting enough, you might notice persistent aches in your knees, reduced strength in your legs, or those irritating tingles in your fingers, all potential signs your body is craving more support. That's precisely where guava comes in. When you combine guava with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, you're providing your body with both the vital nutrients needed to produce collagen and the fuel to rebuild and truly feel stronger again. Making a guava yogurt bowl is wonderfully simple, yet it delivers a powerful punch of benefits. Just chop up some fresh ripe guava and stir it into plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, a squeeze of lime for an extra burst of vitamin C, and then top it with chopped almonds or walnuts. These nuts bring healthy minerals and fats that further support the healing process. The result is a refreshing, easily digestible bowl packed with antioxidants, amino acids, and nutrients specifically chosen to be collagen-friendly. It works to fight inflammation, repair tissues, and keep your body flexible and resilient. And perhaps the best part, it tastes fantastic and is gentle on your digestion. Each spoonful is like giving yourself a little care package, not just for now, but for your long-term well-being. Healing doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to be consistent, and it can start with something as simple and delicious as guava and yogurt. For another powerhouse of collagen-boosting nutrients, let's explore the Kiwi Crunch snack. Just 2 or 3 kiwis a day can flood your body with vitamin C, a non-negotiable nutrient that your body absolutely requires to make collagen. Collagen, in turn, is what keeps your skin firm, your joints strong, and your nerves functioning optimally. This means regularly enjoying kiwi can significantly help ease those tingling sensations in your hands and combat the weakness you might feel in your legs as you age. This particular snack couldn't be simpler to prepare. Begin by slicing up a fresh kiwi, then sprinkle a few toasted almonds or walnuts on top. These nuts provide a satisfying crunch along with healthy fats that your body uses to repair and maintain tissues effectively. For an adventurous twist, add a tiny pinch of chili flakes or a dash of sea salt. Not only does this enhance the flavor, but it can also help boost circulation and support overall nerve health. What makes the Kiwi Crunch snack truly special is its comprehensive benefits. It does more than just help your body make collagen. It also supports healthy digestion, strengthens your immune system, and contributes to smoother nerve function. These advantages are particularly valuable as we age, when our bodies require all the extra support they can get to remain strong, comfortable, and energetic. Making Kiwi Crunch a daily habit is an easy, delicious way to prevent those frustrating symptoms from slowing you down and to help you truly enjoy life with more vigor and effortless ease. Finally, let's talk about the delightful pineapple nut bites, which feature a truly unique ingredient, an enzyme called bromelain. Don't worry about the scientific name. What it actually does is powerfully fight inflammation deep within your body. Since chronic inflammation is a major contributor to joint stiffness and nerve pain as we age, bromelain acts as a real superhero. When you combine pineapple's natural bromelain with its generous supply of vitamin C, you get a powerful duo that helps your body repair itself both faster and more effectively. Together, these nutrients provide significant support for both your joints and your nerves, making movement easier and easing that uncomfortable stiffness you might be experiencing. The best part? This snack is as simple to make as it is delicious. Just cut fresh pineapple into chunks and mix them with crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. These nuts provide essential healthy fats and protein, exactly what your body needs to rebuild tissues and maintain steady energy levels throughout your day. For an extra touch, consider sprinkling a little cinnamon and fresh mint. Cinnamon can help balance blood sugar and calm inflammation, while mint offers soothing digestive support. By regularly enjoying these pineapple nut bites, you may begin to notice less stiffness, more sustained energy, and an overall stronger, healthier feeling. This is a snack that truly goes beyond good taste. it actively supports your body in real, lasting ways, representing a small but sweet step towards moving better, feeling better, and truly living better after 60. There you have it. 8 incredible, powerful snacks that can help your body naturally rebuild collagen. From the indulgence of dark chocolate clusters to the comforting nourishment of bone broth bites, the refreshing zing of cantaloupe mint cubes, the delightful layers of tomato mozzarella stacks, the tropical goodness of guava yogurt bowls, the vibrant energy of kiwi crunch bites, and the soothing benefits of pineapple nut chunks, each one is brimming with the essential nutrients your body truly needs. This is especially vital if you're over 60 and yearn to feel stronger, move with greater ease, and finally wave goodbye to that nagging tingling and weakness. Even simply adding just 1 or 2 of these delicious snacks into your daily routine can provide your body with the boost it craves to begin repairing itself and thriving again. Embrace these simple, natural ways to feel better every day.